through the hole. Oh, yeah. Watch her, she'll try to wiggle up. There she goes. Keep her near Mom so she doesn't get excited when we're doing something different. Okay. Wow. Very good. Very good. Look at you smile. Now, come back with Mom here. Okay, and then she'll let her, when she's tired, her head will come down. And we're just going to touch light. There we go. Let her do the movement, not me. Tired, there it goes. There we go, very good. That one made her mad. Okay, let's sit up. Yeah, very good. Very good. That made you mad, didn't it? Let me trade spots with you. Reese and sitting, I'm gonna sit in that chair.
Okay.
So we can, it's a little lower. And would you hand me that towel? And if you would just lay it across my pants there so I don't. All right, yeah. Can you see everybody? You happy? Mom, Mom's coming across, and she's no worse for the wear, except we're a little bit aggravated that we had.
There you go.
Why were they making you lay down, huh? You all right?
Good girl.
That was very good. Didn't bother too much at all.
Good job, George.
Good job, bud.
Let Mom hold her a minute, so she's tired of Doc.
You're okay.
Is that it?
That's it. We got her
All right,
spine,
baby.
her neck, and
Yeah. Good job, buddy.
All right.
Good job.
so that's as mean as it gets. You can hear the audible releases of the lactic acid and other gases escaping out of the joints and positioning. And
Anything else, baby girl? How was it?
Good.
Was that your best adjustment ever? All right.